Everyone will learn how we can create virtual machines using Cloud Shell. You have to click on Cloud Shell, you have to select PowerShell. Now we need to enter details of our subscription, region, resource group, storage account, and file share. We can also use an existing one if it exists. For now, we are creating a new one. Once we're done with it, we can select create storage. Now we need to create a new resource group using this command. Now we have to enter the following command for creating virtual machine. And we have to include the tick marks if we need to write everything in the in the second line. And if we are writing everything in the same line, then we can avoid the tick marks. We need to provide username and password when Azure prompts us for the same. And now as we can see, the VM is created. So have a look at this VM. We can click on virtual machines. And this is the VM that we just created. Now we can see the networking panel of virtual machine. You can see the inbound and outbound rules. To retrieve details about the state of the virtual machine and the name of the source group, location, and status, we need to provide this command. Now, as we can see, the power state is running, the provisioning is succeeded. Now, in order to stop this virtual machine, we have to enter this following command. When prompted, we have to write Y. Now we can recheck the state of our virtual machine using the same command. Now as we can see, the power state is deallocated, which means our virtual machine has been stopped. This is Azure Advisor. Here we can see recommendations for cost, security, performance, and excellence. So first we'll check the recommendation which it has provided for cost. So as we can see, it has provided a recommendation which is to buy reserved instances to save cost, that is 209.11 USD. I'll go to reliability recommendation, and it has suggested us to enable virtual machine replication, which improves the resilience of virtual machine in case of any regional outages. So that's all for this session.